right here, we have the portable clothesline with 12 pins. This thing's easy. You can carry this wherever you want. It's compact, it's lightweight, and it comes with 12 colorful pins. Boom, boom. This is the elastic clothesline. This thing stretches to 12.8 feet. You have all your pins ready. You can hang this wherever you want, and you have clothespin ready. Boom, open up, and you can hang your clothes right here. I can hang my swim cap. Boom, there we go. Yeah, it's so easy right here. Nice elastic, hang your clothes stuff right there. Simple, easy. And these things, you can move them around. You push and move, so you can space out where your clothespin is, and you have this one right here, so you can control where you put your clothespin. That's very smart. So your clothespins don't slide all over the place, because you have these little things right here that allow you to move and lock in the clothespin. Very cool. You have 12 different colorful clothespins right here. At the end, you got a nice hook right here, so you can hook this on a tree, your door. You can hook it on wherever you want. So you have this other side right here, so you have a hook on both sides. Nice elastic string right here, and it can go up to 12.8 feet. Super elastic. I mean, look at this. Super elastic. So cool. 12 colorful pins right here. Compact and portable clothesline hanger right here. Portable clothesline hanger with 12 colorful pins, so you can hang your clothes and easily compact and carry wherever you guys go. The 12 pin colorful clothesline hanger right here. Oh yeah.